Welcome friend. Today we are going to discuss about it how we can duple face. So as you have seen this and how we can do the editing. Let's go to the app. This app I have already installed. Just I am going to open. We need internet. Okay, so I'm going to show you this. So I want this editing, so I need this. First I have to
no need to fight tonight.
So create. Then we have to take the pictures from here. Okay, you can take maximum. You have to take 8 pictures. Then next, creating video. Okay, we have done this. You can see this.
No need to fight tonight.
And if you want to this, any
There is no need to fight
having volume, you can
tonight.
okay. And in the starting, what you have to do, you have to put your ID when you will go to the start. Double face, how you can do this. It's very good. Let me show you. It's very fantastic.
Mengaku cantik, itu benar-benar cantik. Cantik-cantik sayang, kita cuma temenan. Emang lagi tampan.
This is for money. You have to waste your money. Free you can do. Let me check. Premium. There is no free. We need to pay. Otherwise, this is very fantastic to do. Hot pot.
全往火锅里。火锅我最爱。就是要。
You have to purchase this. We are leaving this. Let's see the Valentine days. This is a free one. You can create video.
You are the reason why I'm still hanging on. You are the reason why I'm still hanging on.
So here you can put your pictures easily. Click here and go to pictures. Maximum 2 you have to take. Okay, go to it. Then next, you will see here are the many options to use. It's taking too much time. Until it's being processed, do not forget to press the bell icon and do not forget to like and subscribe. Okay, we have done this.
You are the reason why I'm still
functions are here. You can see some things are you have to purchase, and without purchase you can do many things also here free of cost. As always we can see this.